So, hi guys, welcome to the channel Learn Concepts with Nikil. Sorry, Discover, Learn, and Grow. So, in this particular video, we'll be learning about top-down approach to guesstimates. Before discussing about this lecture, let's recap what we have learned in guesstimates. Karke. So, in the lecture 28 or 29, I think so. I didn't remember the exact number, but in the lecture 28 or 29, we have learned about water guesstimates as well as different types of guesstimates, right? And after that, we have learned about must known numbers globally as well as Indian specific. And in this particular lecture, this is a lecture 31. So in this particular lecture, we will be learning about a top-down approach. Top-down approach is one of the way to approaching guesstimates. We will be solving guesstimates with the help of top-down approach or bottom-up approach. In this particular video, we will be learning about top-down approach in order to solve guesstimates, right? In the next videos, we will be learning about bottom-up, but in this particular video, we will be learning about top-down approach as well as we will be solving one guesstimate too in this video as well as in the next video also with the help of top-down approach, right? So yeah, let's jump into the video, guys. So what is top-down approach? The top-down approach starts with a big number. So basically it will be starting with the big number or macro number like India's population or world population and breaks it down step by step using filters or assumptions to reach the final answer. So basically you will be starting with the big number, you will be starting with the macro or the big number, and then you will be drilling down. You will be drilling down to the small numbers and you will be finding the answer number, right? You will be finding the solution, right? So think of it as peeling layers of an onion until you get to the core. So basically you will be peeling the onion, right? You will be taking the upper layer and you will be again taking the upper layer even after peeling. Karke. So basically you will be starting with the big number and then you will be drilling down to the small numbers and you will be getting the exact number, not exact number, but you will be getting the solution, right? So we will be seeing one example so that you can understand more clearly. So why use top down? 1 minute, guys. So why use top down? It is easy to structure. So that is the reason why top down is used. So basically, I'll be using top down approach only, guys, in order to solve guesstimates. So basically, in majority of the times, I will be using top down approach only. But I will be explaining you about bottom up too, right? That's your wish. You can follow top down or bottom up, but basically you need to get to the answer. You need to show your structured way of thinking. You need to show your logical reasoning, logical thinking to the interviewer, right? So I find top down structure as very easy as well as logical, right? So works well when you know macro numbers. So yeah, if you know big numbers, that's enough. Shows logical thinking in consulting interviews. Not only in consulting interviews, but it will also show logical reasoning and logical thinking in product management, analytics interviews, and all those things. So in this particular slide, let's see an example. So top-down guesstimates. As I said, you will be solving the top-down approach. Karke. We will be solving the guesstimate with the help of top-down approach. Karke. So top-down guesstimate is step-by-step format. Estimate the number of people in Delhi who go to the gym daily. So that is the guesstimate problem, right? There is no exact data. The problem statement is very vague, but we need to come up to the solution by using our structured way of thinking as well as logical thinking, right? So first step, as soon as you got the problem statement, as soon as you got the guesstimate, estimate the number of people in Delhi who go to the gym daily. So the first step will be start with the big number. As I said, you top down approach will be not, as I said you before, a top-down approach is nothing but we will be starting with the big number and then we will be drilling down to small numbers. Correct? So first we will be in the step one, we will be starting with the big number. Start with the big number. Delhi's population is around 3 crores. So Delhi's population is around 3 crores. Apply filters one by one. That is nothing but a drill down. Assume 60% of the people are between 15 to 60 years. So basically, the people between 15 to 60 years only will be going to gym, right? So assume there are 60% of people with the age between 15 to 60 years. So totally 1.8 crores. So basically 3 crores mein 10% is 30 lakhs, guys. 30 lakhs into 6 times is equal to 1.8 crores, right? So basically 1.8 crores are there between 15 to 60 years of age. In the second step, in the second point of the second step, we will be income filter. Income filter monitor, we will be drilling down the again that like we got 1.8 crores, right? The 1.8 crores ko we will be drilling down again. See, 33 crores ko we have drilled to 1.8 crores. Now for 1.8 crores, we will be drilling down to further steps, further drill down steps, right? So assume 50% of them can afford the gym. So basically 50% माने तो half of the 1.8 crores, that is nothing but 90 lakhs. Interest factor. So assume 30% are interested in fitness. So basically 90 lakh people are there. 90 lakh people are there who can afford gym, but they will not go to gym. They can afford the gym. Only 30% of the 90 lakhs will be going to gym. They are interested in gym करके. So 90%, 90 lakhs में 30% is 2.7 lakhs, right? For example, 90 lakhs में 10% is 9 lakhs. 9 lakhs into 3 is equal to 27 lakhs, right? So basically, you have drilled 90 lakhs to 27 lakhs, right? Daily users filter. So basically, first we have drilled 3 crores to 1.8 crores. Then we have drilled with the income filter. Then we have drilled with the interest filter. And now we will be drilling down with the daily users filter. That is nothing but assume 40% of them go daily. So 27 lakh people are going to gym. Now assume 27 lakh of people of Delhi are going to gym. But here, what is the question? Estimate the number of the people in Delhi who go to the gym daily. So these 27 lakh people will not go to the gym daily, right? There will be only some percent of people who will be going to gym daily out of this 27 lakhs. So let's assume 27 lakhs may 40% will be going to the gym daily, right? So that is one of the estimate, right? That is one of the assumption. So in this 27 lakh people, only 40% will be going to the gym daily. So 27 lakh में 10% कितना है? 2.7 lakh. 2.7 lakh into 4, that is nothing but 40%, right? So 2.7 lakh into 4 is equal to somewhere between 10.8 lakh. So approximately we have taken it 11 lakhs. So 11 lakhs people will be going to gym daily in Delhi, right? So yeah, see in this problem now, in this guesstimate, there is a no exact data, right? In the question, in the guesstimate question, there is no exact data, there is no information, and the problem statement is very bad. But by using top-down approach, we have solved the guesstimate and we have came up to the answer of 11 lakh people of Delhi will be going to gym daily karke. So this is about guesstimates, guys. You need to think logically. You need to think in a structured way. You need to give the answers perfectly, not perfectly. You don't need to give appropriate exact answers, but you need to show your logical reasoning, logical thinking, a structured way of thinking to the interviewer, right? Here we have used some structure top down. Top say we have drilled to second step. From second step, we have drilled to third step. From third step, we have applied some filters and we are drilling down in order to get some number, some approximate number, right? So by this, we can show some logical reasoning to the interviewer. So final answer is 11 lakh people, approximately 11 lakh people go to the gym daily in Bangalore or Delhi. Sorry, not in Bangalore, in Delhi. So approximately 11 lakh people is the answer here. So basically we used a top-down approach. Big number से start करके we came to the solution. We came to the smallest answer, right? Smallest number. So yeah, how to impress in interviews? Say each assumption out loud. So say your assumption loud. Keep math simple. So in order to keep math simple, you need to take what you can say. You need to take round numbers, round of numbers. Here I have taken only round of numbers, right? Like 60%, 50%, 30%, 40% करके round of numbers लिया था. So that is the reason why my math became very simple, right? So yeah. Next, use real knowledge, urban habits, income levels. You need to know some basic must know number, guys. You cannot say Delhi's population is around 40 crores. Karke. It is not believable, right? So yeah, you need to know some basic numbers. You need to, what you can say, magify batti, those basic numbers. We cannot do anything. We cannot say that Delhi's population is 30 crore people. I will do guesstimate like that. So it is not believable. So you need to know some basic numbers. Always do a quick sense check at the end. Does your number make sense? करके. So, or do some checks. So, tips to master top-down thinking. Start from population, household, business. So basically, you need to start from big number. Apply filters. So basically, you need to apply some filters, and you need to drill down, right? You need to drill down in order to get the perfect answer, not perfect answer. I don't know why I am getting perfect answer. In the flow, it is getting perfect, but you need to get the answer. But it should be in the logical way. Your procedure, the process of solving the guesstimate should be in the logical way, right? So you need to apply filters. That's your wish, guys. How you are applying, how you are approaching to the guesstimate, it's your wish. But go from top to down. Build the answer step by step. Okay, you will be building answer step by step. We did right in the first step. We have drilled 3 crores to 1.8. So in the second step, we have drilled down 1.8 crores to 90 lakhs. In the third step, we have drilled down 90 crores to somewhere between 25 to 27 lakhs. In the fourth step, we have drilled down the 27 lakhs to 11 lakhs, approximately 11 lakhs. So use step by step while answering, while building your answer. Don't aim for perfect, aim for structured. As I said you before, don't aim for perfect, guys. Nobody will be saying you whether you have said the perfect answer, whether you have said the exact answer. करके. Interviewer will be only seeing your logical reasoning and structured way of thinking, right? So this is about a top-down approach, guys. In the next video, we will be doing one more guesstimate with the help of top-down approach. So bye.